Harbor Freight just dropped over 200 new Inside Track Club deals, and I've already gone through every single one of them, find the best deals that I think are actually worth buying. And there's some really good ones this month. We're talking savings of 30, 40, or even 50% off. But here's the thing, not every Inside Track Club deal is necessarily a good deal. With Harbor Freight's Labor Day sale right around the corner, I found several items where I think you're actually better off waiting because you may be able to get them cheaper with that upcoming 20% off deal. So in this video, I'm going to show you my top Inside Track Club deals, a few popular tools I think you should skip, for now at least, and I'll tell you which ones I'd personally buy and which ones I'd wait on. Now, let's get started with the biggest discounts I found. And these ITC deals do run all the way until October 1st, so you do have all of September to capture them and the remaining part of August to go for them. And if I do sound a little off in this video, well, that's because I'm currently dealing with a sore throat. So please bear with me through this video, and I really appreciate it. All right, the first deal is going to be on this Warrior 1500 watt heat gun. And this is going to be an excellent deal right now because it is normally priced at 20 bucks. ITC price is $8.49, which is saving 57% on it. So it's priced at $8.49. It's an excellent deal on it. This is better than a parking lot sale deal that we normally see it as $9.99. So excellent deal on the Warrior heat gun. I do have this heat gun. It works pretty good. That's why I would recommend picking it up, especially for only $8.49. They have an incredible deal on this US General 30-inch one-drawer service cart. It is normally priced at $139.99. You can save 50 bucks on that, pick it up for 90 bucks, which is saving 36% on it. It's an excellent deal on the cart. Actually, this is probably one of the lowest prices I've ever seen this cart. So if you're in the market for something like this, definitely would be the time to capture this deal. And if you happen to have a 4-drawer cart like I do, I did do a modification video. If you happen to miss out on that video I did a few months back, you're able to take this one drawer from the one-drawer service cart and install it right onto the 4-drawer service cart. It fits perfectly right underneath there. You just have to drill some holes on the frame and mount it with the bolts that are already included with that service cart. And I have seen images online where you could technically do another drawer. It's going to be extremely tight fit on that bottom lip, but it does work out. And if you missed that video that I did of the modification of the cart, then I will put a link up above to that video, and you can certainly check it out, how to do it. Now, I was actually shocked to see this deal. It's on the end locker for the US General toolboxes that'll fit on like the 72 or the 56-inch boxes. It's an awesome deal. This would be the time to go for it instead of going for it during the Labor Day sale where you're going to save 20% on one item. This will be the time to go for it on the ITC deal because it is normally priced at $399.99 and you're going to save 100 bucks on it with your ITC membership. Comes to 25% off on it. That's an excellent deal. This will be the time to go for this one and then wait for the Labor Day sale to save 20% on the box as an example. So this is a nice end locker. I know many of you have been waiting for a deal on the end locker. It does have 4 adjustable shelves on it, and it also includes a lower drawer area that does pull out for additional storage and easy access to the bottom drawer area. So this is a good deal at 300 bucks. Definitely pick it up during this month for ITC deals. And there is some decent icon deals I'm going to get into. The first one here is on the 12-inch S-Jaw Quick Adjust pliers. I do have these. They work pretty good. I actually used it the other day. This is normally priced at 20 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for $13, which is saving 7 bucks on that, which comes to 35% off. So it's an excellent deal on it. Better than a 30% off weekend deal. So if you don't have these already, it'd be a good time to pick them up. And if you're in need of a new G2 ratchet, they have a deal on this one, on the G2 18-inch long flex ratchet. It's not a locking flex one, but to be the next best option, this retails at $80 and you'll be able to pick it up for 58 bucks. So save $22 on this one, which comes to 27% off. It's an excellent deal. And sounds pretty good to me. So 58 bucks, saving the 27% on it. Be a good time to pick it up, especially when we don't know when the next ratchet deal is going to be coming up, which could be around the Black Friday like they did last year. All right, if you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. Now, let's go to the next deal. In case you missed your opportunity during the last parking lot sale where you could have saved 35% off on the Quinn tools, well, they have an awesome deal on this 48-piece Master Impact socket set. It includes both SAE and metric. It's 20 regular sockets and 20 deep impact sockets. It has 3 extension bars to it, as well as a universal joint and even adapters as well. So this one retails at $100, and you'll be able to pick it up for $65, which is saving 35% on that. So it's an excellent deal. Same deal that they had on the parking lot sale. This is a great kit to have. I have one, and I do recommend it. It's a solid kit. And they brought on an awesome deal on the Icon quarter-inch modular general service set. It is a 48-piece set that has both the SAE and the metric and the quarter-inch drive. And there are no skip sizes. It ranges from 5mm up to 14mm and 5/32 up to 9/16. It also includes a couple extensions as well as a universal joint. This does have a G1 ratchet though, just so you're aware of that. But it is a great kit, and the retail price on that one is $120, and you'll pick it up for $80, which is saving $40 on that, which comes at 33% off. So it's an excellent deal. It'd be a good time to pick it up. And they brought on another great deal on the Icon 8-piece precision snap ring pliers set. So it has the 7-inch straight as well as 9-inch straight, the 90-degree angle one of the 7-inch, and 45-degree ones. So you're able to handle both external and internal snap rings with this set. Retail price is $72.99. You'll be able to pick it up for $50, saving $23 on that one, which comes at 31% off. It's an excellent deal. And they have another Quinn deal for you. This one's going to be on the 7-inch diagonal cutters, a deal for all types of cutting. So the retail price on these are $8.99, and you can pick them up for $4.98, which is saving $4.01. It actually comes to 44% off. That was an excellent deal on them, especially if you missed out during the Quinn sale, so you can get better savings on this particular diagonal cutters. And they do have decent savings on the Icon Professional double box flex ratcheting wrench set. So it is a 5-piece set total and has the different sizes on each end of the wrenches. So they are flex head, and these retail at $230. And so you'll be able to pick them up for $180, which is going to be saving $50 on it, which comes to 22% off. It's not the best deal, but it's still decent savings, $50 off. And they have a pretty good deal on this U.S. General 3-shelf steel service cart. It has a 450-pound weight capacity. It has a 3.5-inch tray depth, and it's 32 inches high, 33 wide, and 16 deep. So the ITC price is $50. That's saving 28%, normally priced at $70. So it is a good deal, saving 28%, especially on the previous parking lot sale where they were 25% off. And they have decent savings on the Icon 24-ounce ball peen dead blow hammer. Offers a lifetime warranty on it. And this is a great size dead blow hammer to get, especially on this deal. It is normally priced at $45. You can save $10 on it, pick it for $35, which is going to be saving 22% on it. So it is a good deal. It's not the best deal. We have seen better deals on the Icon hammers in the past when they did specific deals on those. But if you're in the need of one now, it's good to go ahead and save 22% on it. And the next deal is a Hercules tool tote. It's a 17-inch one with 19 pockets. It's a pretty good deal actually, because it is normally priced at $36.99, and you'd be able to pick it up for $25, saving $12 on that, which comes to 32% off. It even has pockets on the end too, on both ends. It's a pretty nice tool tote for the money, especially for only $25. Can't beat that. And they have a pretty good deal on this U.S. General plastic 4-tier shelf that's 23 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 52 inches high. It has 14.5 inches between the shelves, and the total weight capacity is 176 pounds. The retail price is $30. You'd be able to save $10 on that, pick it up for $20, which comes to 33% off. So it's a good deal on it. And if you happen to be a plumber or happen to need a major drain cleaning, you could do so with this Doyle. It's a sectional drain cleaner machine. You can clear up to 4-inch drain lines. It operates at up to 475 reps per minute for the cable speed. And you can run 3 different cable sizes in this. It's made of a durable cast iron. The retail price on one is $250. You'd be able to pick it up for $175, which is saving $75 on that, which comes at 30% off. So it's an excellent deal. Yeah, they do have Franklin cart deal. It's on the 2-shelf, 30-inch by 16-inch utility cart. It's rated up to a 500-pound weight capacity. It has a 2 3/4-inch tray depth to that. Also has built-in cup holder there by the handle, as well as other parts holders. The retail price is $110. You'd be able to pick it up for $80. That's saving $30 on that, which comes to 27% off. So it's another good deal. If you happen to be in need of a recovery rope, they have an incredible deal on the Badland Apex 30-foot kinetic recovery rope. It's made of a premium double braided 1-inch nylon kinetic rope. Offers 29,000 pound of brake strength. While the retail price on that was $120, you'll be able to pick it up for $70, which is saving $50 on that, which comes to 42% off. That's a great deal. And they have another good Badland deal on this 3/4 inch D-ring shackle. It has a 9,500 pound working load. The retail price is 13 bucks. You'll pick it up for $9. Save $4 on that, which comes to 31% off. That's a great deal. And they're running a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh heavy duty bottle jack, the 8-ton version that goes to a max height of 17 5/8 and a minimum height of 9 inches. The retail price on that one is $38, and you'll be able to pick it up for 20 bucks, which is saving $18 on that, and it comes to 47% off. It's an awesome deal. And they're running an awesome deal on the Maddox 30-foot retractable test leads. So they retract inside this case. This is a pretty good kit to have, especially for the money. The retail price is 25 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for 15 bucks, saving $10 on that, which comes to 40% off. That's a crazy good deal. And it is made of 18 gauge copper wire. All right, now I'll get into some Braun light deals, and they have some good ones. Starting off with the Braun 50-foot LED string work lights. It's rated at 10,000 lumens. It has multiple different lights in the one strand, and you can link up to 9 of these together, and they are 10 feet apart as far as the distance between the lights. So something like this would be great for like a barn or a large garage. You can line the lights up on a ceiling, and I've seen some people even put them on the ground to shine up on the wall. So the retail price on it is 80 bucks. You'll be able to pick it up for 50 bucks, saving $30 on that, and that's 37% off. So it's a good deal. And the next Braun light deals on this 450 lumen pen light. Has a pocket clip to it. It is rechargeable, runtime up to 9 hours, in a range of up to 230 feet. It is water resistant with IPX7 rated. It has variable light modes of high and low. The retail price on it is 25 bucks. You'll be able to save $10 on it. Pick it up for 15, which comes to 40% off. So it's an excellent deal on this light. And the next good Braun light deal is on this 1,000 lumen slim headlamp. It is rechargeable, offers a runtime up to 28 hours in a range of 130 feet. The retail price is 30 bucks. You'll pick it up for 20 bucks, saving $10 on that, which comes at 33% off. So it is a good deal. And the next deal is going to be on the Braun 250 lumen portable folding LED work light. It runs on 3 AA batteries that are included. It offers a runtime of up to 60 hours. Retail price is $7.99. You pick it up for $4.92. Saving $3.07 with that one, which comes at 38% off. That's another good deal. And they even have a deal on the Braun UV light, so it's good for UV leak detection, as well as spiders and scorpions, as they show in the picture there. So you can do many different things with the UV light. This does retail at 8 bucks, and you'll be able to pick it up for $4.96, which is saving $3.03 on that, which comes at 37% off. Another excellent deal. And they have one more Braun light deal. It's not the best one, but it's still worth mentioning because it is the Braun 6,000 lumen spotlight. The retail price is 50 bucks. You'll be able to save $10 on that, pick it up for 40, which actually comes to 20% off. So it is still a decent amount of savings, just not the best savings that we've seen, especially compared to these other Braun light deals. This one is rechargeable and offers a range of up to 1,600 feet and a runtime up to 36 hours and 30 minutes. And they have a pretty good deal on the Apache series of the 1800 case. It's a weatherproof protective case. It is the smallest one that they offer, and the retail price is $14.99. Pick it up for $9.92, saving $5.07 on that one, which comes at 33% off. Another good deal. And they're running a pretty good deal on the Pittsburgh 3-piece pry bar set made of carbon steel construction. So it includes the 6, 12, and 16-inch long pry bars, and they do come to a point on the one ends. So this set does retail at $11.99. You'll pick it up for $6.98, saving $5.01 on that one, which actually comes to 41% off. Another good deal. Do another Icon deal that's worth mentioning, even though it's not the best deal. It is on the 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers. The retail price is 30 bucks. You'll pick them up for 25 bucks. So saving $5 on that, which only comes to 16% off. You could technically wait till the Labor Day deal to save 20% on it if you're looking to save an extra 4% on it. But otherwise, worth mentioning, it's still 16% off. And they have okay savings on the Icon 3/8 drive of the SAE and metric hex socket sets. So the 8-piece set in the SAE ranges from 1/8 inch all the way up to 3/8 of an inch. The metric is 3mm up to 10mm. So the ITC price is 20 bucks, saving $5 on that, which comes to 20% off. So it is a decent deal. And they have a pretty good deal on the Hercules 4 to 5 inch surface grinding dust shroud. So it does fit most 4 to 5 inch grinders from all major brands. It does include a hose as well as adapters to fit the different vacuum sizes. This does retail at 40 bucks. You'll pick it up for 25 bucks, saving $15 on that, which comes at 37% off. That is a great deal. Now this next item might be better to wait. It's on the Bauer blower kit. That does include a 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp charger. That is normally priced at $100. The ITC pricing is at $85, which is saving $15 on that, which is only 15% off, but you could wait for Labor Day, save an extra $5 if you wanted to. Otherwise, this kit alone is an excellent deal because it does include the 5 amp hour battery and charger, whereas a 5 amp hour starter kit is priced at $115 alone. So if you're looking to get into the Bauer platform and happen to need a blower, this would be a great kit to start off with, starting off with the blower and a 5 amp hour battery, because it's definitely cheaper than going with the battery starter kit alone. And if you happen to need a large moving blanket, they have an excellent deal on this Franklin one. It's the extra large, double-sided, 80 inches by 144 inches, which is 80 square feet. So the retail price on this one is $20. You'd be able to pick it up for $11.69, which is saving 41% on that. So it's a great deal. They have decent savings on this Hercules 1/4 inch die grinder. It is a corded tool, not the cordless version. It goes up to 25,000 RPM. It has a 1/4 inch collet to it. It also has directional airflow, and it is lightweight. The retail price is $70, and you'll be able to pick it up for $54, and that's saving $16 on that, and that's 22% off. So it's okay savings. And they have good savings on the Central Machinery 2.5 liter ultrasonic cleaner. It's 160 watt high power, has 5 preset cycles, and it has a digital readout to it. The retail price is $100. You'll pick it up for $75, saving $25 on that. That's 25% off. So that is a good deal. All right, that's going to be it for the top deals I'm going to cover in this ITC deal video. And again, you have until October 1st for these deals. If you did get any value from this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. I really appreciate you watching, and thanks for bearing with my voice. Sorry about that. And I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.